Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the limits of Reimann sums. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to put about the function f of x equals to x squared minus 5x plus 1. We apply about the Reimann sums in here. So we start from number 1 to number 2. Now, we know that this should be about infinity rectangle. That means we have infinity rectangles to calculate the area in here. So the area of this one, that should be about the limit and go to positive infinity, and we have the summation I number 1 to n, and we have delta x, and we have the function. Because we start from number 1, so we start from 1 in here, plus I delta x. We know that about delta x, this is about the width of rectangle. So that should be about b minus a over n. So b, we know that this is about number 2, and a, that's about number 1, and we have 1 over n. So in this one, we change delta s into 1 over n. We have the function, so that's about this one in here. So we put this one go in s and s in here. So we have 1 plus I delta s, we change by n, so we have n in here, square minus 5 multiplied by 1 plus I over n, and we have positive number 1 in here. So this one we can expand, and we will have about 1 plus 2i n plus 1 n square. This one we have negative number 5, negative 5i over n plus 1. Now we need to simplify. So 2i minus 5i, you got about negative 3i, and 1 plus 1 is about 2, 2 minus 5 is about negative number 3, and we have 1 n square in here. Oh, I swear, sorry, I just made a mistake. So this one is about I square. Now we have 1 over n multiplied by negative number 3, negative 3i n, and I square n square in here. So we have the formula in here. About I square, we have n multiplied by n plus 1, 2n plus 1 over number 6. This one, about I, we have n multiplied by n plus 1 over number 2. And the last one, about the number, you got about n. So about I, we change by this one. I square, we change by this one. About the number, we multiply by n. So we will have like this. Because this is about the series, that's why we need to transform like this. This is about bubble tree in here. So now we need to divide by n to the power of 3 on numerator and denominator, similar for n squared and n in here. So we have negative number 3. This one we will have about 1 plus 1 over n. I forget number 2 and number 6 in here. So we have number 2. And this one we have 1 plus 1 over n, 2 plus 1 over n. We divide by 6. When n go to infinity, this one you got about 0, 0 and 0. So if we simplify, and you got about negative number 3 over 2 plus 1 over 6. And we have number 2, not number 1 here. So this one you got about negative number 25 over 6. Now we can check by using fundamental of theorem of calculus. This one, the integration of s squared, you got about s to the power of 3 over 3. S, you got about 5s squared over 2. Number 1, you got about s. And we put the bounds from 1 to 2. So we put number 2 gone here, number 1 gone here. And you got about the same, negative number 25 over 6. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.